Martin Rivera humingi ng tawad sa anak, hindi pinayagang makasama ang anak sa mismong karawan nito. Sa kanyang social media account, madamdamin ang paghingi ng tawad ng magaling na singer na si Martin Rivera sa anak na si Santino na hindi umano nakasama at nayakap sa mismong araw ng kaarawan nito nitong nagdaang October 23, 2023. Ibinahagi ni Martin na nakaramdam siya ng sakit ng kalooban at kalungkutan dahil sa hindi nila pagkikita ng bunsong anak sa mismong kaarawan nito dahil sa personal umanong dahilan. Ayon kay Martin, nakasama naman niya ang anak isang araw bago ang kaarawan nito. Taon-taon ay talagang pumupunta daw sa Amerika si Martin, kung saan nakatira si Santino at ang ina nito upang makasama ang anak sa mismong kaarawan nito. Ngunit hindi nangyari ngayong taon dahil umano sa hindi inaasahang pangyayari na hindi niya idinitalye. October 23, 2023, we go down in history in my life, anyway, as the very first time in all of Santino's birthdays that I was not able to see him and hug him on the actual day of his birth. Oh, I was in town, all right, and no, I was not busy at all. I fixed my whole life so that I would be here, just as I do every year. But there are forces even stronger than God that kept me away. Yes, I was there the day before for the party, but I am talking about the actual day he was born. Believe me, it was not an easy decision, but I hate confrontations and will always choose peace over war every time. So I chose the high road, but the price I paid ruined my perfect October 23rd hug record. I hope my son will forgive me. My whole month of October ruined in a day because of pride and anger and pain. Can't get into much detail cause I am not one to do my laundry here. But I just feel so guilty for missing this hug with my Santino, and I figured venting here may help. I miss so many birthday hugs with my other two sons as it is, so I have been trying to be better at that with Santino. But oh, well, that's all ruined now. Thanks for listening. I feel a little better. Hashtag Bad Father Blues. Si Santino, na may espesyal na pangangailangan, ay anak ni Martin sa dating karelasyon na si Katrina Ojeda. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.